So I had a commenter ask me if I could force some hiccups. So that's a little weird, but whatever. So here you go. This is awkward. It sounds so fake. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Is that good? I don't know. It's not real hiccups. Those are fake hiccups. You can obviously tell which ones are real and which ones are fake. This, fake. If I can complete a sentence without hiccuping, or 5 sentences, or talking right now, obviously it's a fake hiccup. But if every few sentences, words, seconds, whatever you want to call it, blah, 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 if you hear a then that's probably real. Okay, so that's it for